In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your rear door handle on your Ford Focus. It's located on the outside of the door. I'm going to take this cover off. Using a T20, you're going to take out the bolt that's on the way inside. You might have to push the cable over to see it. Unscrew it. And once it starts getting tight, that means it's done. You can't take it out anymore, and you're going to pull this out. Let me take a little persuasion from a trim tool. Pull that out. Now you're going to pull this forward and pull it out. Remove the other gasket. And then you're going to clean up around here before installing. Now we're going to install our gasket. I'm going to slide it into its spot on both sides, and that'll stay still for you. And now we're going to install our door handle. Slide this end in first. Push towards the front of the car to lock it in. Make sure your screw's all the way out, as far as it'll go. And now you can push this in. And to lock it in, you're going to put your screw back in. Just to be clear, the bolt will not come out. You're just going to unscrew it as far as it'll go. And then you're going to tighten it in as far as you can tighten it. Make sure it's tight. And it should stay in there. Now let's check to make sure the door opens and closes. Make sure you put your cap back on.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.